Okay, so we are back to another educative episode on Microsoft Word. So we've seen how to insert a table, how to delete, how to insert a row, and all that. Now let's quickly look at what we call merging, right? So if you want to merge cells, merge simply means like you want to join them together to become just one full cell. So let's say this cell, this one, and then this one. I want to combine all of them to become one full cell. So I will just highlight on the area, right? So I just highlighted from here to here. Highlighting means you drag across it. So I've highlighted the area, these four areas that um, I want to merge those cells. So here, the first ribbon that you could see under the layout tab, the table tools under layout tab, there is a group that we call merge, right? And then you will see merge cells. So immediately we click, you will have those cells. You see all of them, it will just join to become one full cell, right? That's what we call merging. So after merging, the next one is how do you get your cells back? How do you get your cells back? Now, to get your cell back, then you need to do what we call splitting. You need to split the cells again. So here you could see split cells, right? You just click on it. Once you click, you could see it will just identify or indicate here that, okay, the number of columns that you need, right? And then the number of rows that you need. So the columns, we have two already. So how many number of rows do you need? Is it just one? We need two rows. So you backspace, then you enter two, and then you click on OK, and then you see you get the same thing back here, right? That is how to merge. Now, the next thing that we want to look at is how to erase and then draw a table. Now, the erase works like the pencil and then the eraser, right? So here, still under the layout, you could see draw. You click on eraser here. Once you click, you can see the cursor will change to this. Then sometimes you can just highlight on the area that you want to delete, or you can equally move your cursor on the lines and then you click to clean them. So you just click, see, you click to erase the lines. So where you want to erase all those lines, you can just do that. So you could see the cursor is still in eraser mode. So if I want to deactivate empty space, I will just double click, right? Double click and then it will be deactivated. So after double clicking, I want to draw the lines back. So to draw, you can equally use split to do it, or you can use draw table. So draw table, when you click on the draw table, your cursor will change to this kind of this pencil-like pointer. Then you point your cursor on just one line, then you drag to draw the line. So you see when you start dragging, you could see a shadow of the line in between those cells. So when you leave your cursor, you could see. So after drawing, you could see that the pointer still remains like a pointer. So we have to double click to deactivate it. So we could have back our cursor again. So after doing this, we've seen how to delete and all. Now the next thing that we want to look at is alignment, right? Alignment. Now you could see here the alignment group, right? We have these 9 alignments available for a table. Now let me just start typing something in the table. So let's say name, price, and then quantity, right? So this, then I enter something like Milo, 25, then the quantity is 2, enter something like milk, then I have 10, then I have 3, then I enter something like some bread, 28, then sugar, 14, 7, so Milo, milk, bread, sugar, sardine, 74, and 2. So down there we'll just make it total like this, total. So here you could see the alignment is left alignment, right? And it's also at the far top here, so left and then at the top. So we want to align all the information that we have. We want the text to be at the center, that is directly at the middle of the cells. So first of all, we need to highlight the entire cell. To highlight the entire cell, you need to move your cursor to this addition sign beside the table, because this is purposely for highlighting the entire table. So I'll just click like this to highlight the entire table, and then I'll move my cursor up here, right? Within the alignment, you could see here we have align center. So I'll just click, and then you will see the effect. So you can see all of them are now at the center. Then we have what we call formula, right? So if you want to insert a formula, so for example, you could see the price is 25 to 74, and then you could see quantity 2 to from 2 up to 2 here. Now I want to find the total for the price and then the total for the quantity. So here I can insert a formula and then a calculation will be done straight. So first of all, you click at the cell that you want to obtain the answer. So my cell, I've selected this cell here, so I'll move my cursor to the formula. There is a group that we call data, and then we have fx formula, so I'll click there. So once you click, you could see equal to, because whenever you are performing calculation, you must start with an equation sign that's equal to. So equal to sum, you open parenthesis, and then above, then you close parenthesis. Then you click on OK. So it means sum above. So it will quickly add up all the figures you're seeing here, and then the total is 161. The next one, so when I click here, the same thing, I'll click on fx again, and then sum above. If it is summing from the left side, then I have to change the above to what? Left. But we are summing from above, so I'll click OK, and then the total is 16. So that is on tables, how to use eraser, how to use the pencil, how to merge, how to split, and then how to use the formula. Thank you, and then I'll see you in the next episode.